Okay, let's go over your daily language week 21 answers. Make sure you have a marker to correct your answers as you go. When you're correcting, just go ahead and press pause, and then after you've corrected it, hit play again. So did you know that an octopus can change its color? So this says now. So in order to make it no, we had to add a silent K. And we don't say a octopus. Remember, when we have a, the next word needs to start with a consonant. And when the next word starts with a vowel, we always use an. So it would be like an egg, because egg starts with a vowel. An ant, like if you're talking about small insect, because ant starts with an A. So any word that starts with a vowel needs to have an in front of it if you're choosing between a or an. And this it's right here means, means it is. And that is not what we want to say. Did you know that an octopus can change it is color? That's not what we want to say, so we cannot have the apostrophe. It's just an adjective, so it's. Right, most octopuses live in warm parts of the ocean. So capital M, let's see, O-F is how we spell of, and ocean is spelled O-C-E-A-N. Rewrite this sentence. We're going to combine these two sentences into one using so. Octopuses spray dark ink so they can get away from danger. Now, remember, when we combine a sentence with and, but, so, it's not writing, and it has a new subject afterwards, we always use a comma beforehand. All right, let's look. Oops, last one. It says use itself or themselves. Octopuses can hide themselves in the rocks. We have to use themselves because them is plural. It means more than one. And this octopuses is more than one because it has an ES. It can't be itself because it refers to just one single thing. So it definitely could not be itself. When can him and I have a turn on the bars? So remember, him is always used after the verb, okay? So it should be when can he and I have a turn on the bars, question mark. And we use I before the verb, so that's why we have it there. Thank you for sharing with us. When you have a root word like share, so we have the word share, and it ends in an E, before you add the ing or before you add an ed, you have to take off the E before you add the ing. So in this one, they did not take off the E, so we did that and put a period because it's a statement. When you share, you are being a kind friend. Circle the words that have the same meaning. Friend, stranger, pal. So friend and pal mean the same thing. They are synonyms. Hopefully you were thinking, words that mean the same are synonyms. Carla has went to Big Pine Camp last summer. Carla has gone to Big Pine Camp last summer, or we could just actually, a better way to say that would be Carla went to Big Pine Camp last summer. And Big, Pine, and Camp, they're all in the name of the camp, so they all need to be capitalized. She learned how to row a boat around the lake. So it's not she done learned, she just learned how to row a boat, and the correct spelling of around is A-R-O-U-N-D, and we need a period because it is a statement. Circle the words that are adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. So that would be cold, fast, and blue. Okay, this is an adverb. It describes a verb. Rewrite the sentence using two adjectives. Carla likes to swim in the lake. So Carla likes to swim in the crystal blue lake. Actually, I need to add some commas in here. Or I can, if we want to just use the adjectives from above, in the cold blue lake. All right, read the verbs and their definitions. Each verb tells about a stronger action. So verbs here are action words. Whisper, talk, shout. Please whisper so you don't wake the baby. You can shout for your team at the ball game. Talk to your partner about the math problem. Here you're going to write sentences here. Check. Do all of your sentences start with a capital letter? Do all of your sentences have enough space in between each word? Do all of your sentences end with the proper end mark? If they do not, I want you to change them right now.